Today we are taking a look at the Toyota AE86 Levin 1600 GT Apex two-door kit from Fujimi Models. It's going to be 1/24 scale curbside kit, and it is today's what's in the box. So this version of the kit was issued in 2001, but this tooling dates back to 1984 when it was initially released as the Levin 3-door 1600 GT Apex. And then it's been reissued numerous of times over the last 36 years. Let's check it out. Getting started now with the body. And now we're taking a look at parts tree E, which is some random parts. You have the front bumper, which has come off the parts tree. Mud flat pieces, a rear license plate, a rear license plate piece with would be license plate lights and whatever have you. A option for that. And now getting started with the chassis parts tree. And we'll take a look at the chassis, and you can see it's part of Fujimi's motorized chassis system, so it's pretty, not really accurate down there. And turn over there is the interior floor pan. That's what you'll be building up on. You're building everything up on the chassis. No interior tub. Moving up, you have steering wheel, a rear spoiler. It looks like. Looks like you have a seat. Maybe you have some cool roll bars for the interior, the secondary steering wheel, pedals. Looks like to be driving lights. You have this crazy little piece right here. Moving right along now to we'll call this the interior parts tree. Start up here, you have the interior door panels, as well as the rear package self tray. There is no interior bucket. You build everything up off of the chassis. Pop-up headlight pieces. You have a gear shift lever, wipers. Over on this side, you have more underside bits, pieces. And you have part of the exhaust, dashboard, another steering wheel will be the stock steering wheel. And you have which will front and rear seats. Now we're going to take a look at parts tree G, which is one of the two clear parts trees in this kit. So you have the main window piece and a set of headlight lenses and indicators there. And the next clear parts tree will be basically headlight and tail lights and some indicators. So you have indicators here, headlight panel pieces here, and tail light lenses there. Obviously you'll be only using certain ones. Now taking a look at the decal sheet, which you have some options for the interior the gauges. You know, obviously badging and scripting and everything else. And now we're taking a look at the wheels and tires. So you have a nice set of Watabees. Wide out front, or wide in the rear, skinny up front. You have metal axle rod for the rear, and you have a set of screw axles for the front. So my friend, that is going to do it for this look at the Toyota Corolla AE86 Levin 2-door late height 1600 GT Apex kit from Fujimi. Pretty simple, standard, motorized kit from that era. I would have known that, I probably wouldn't have bought this kit. I probably should have done some research. So, on that note, thanks for watching.